I think you said, why was it important for Rabash to build a physical sukkah?
Yes, I remember that I brought people, and suddenly 40 more people were added to the group, and we couldn't go into the small sukkah that he had, so we built a new one, a bigger one, and then we built it in a special way. When you build a sukkah, you should build it from materials that are not the materials you usually build things from, meaning you're not allowed to use nails or all kinds of things in order to connect these things, only in forms that come from nature, natural things. So we built this sukkah for him, and it was a nice and a big one. There we sat together. Yes? I don't think it's a problem. I'm certain that we can go through this year. Towards the next one, we'll already see how we're going in together into a spiritual structure, and as a result of that, to a physical structure. It will come. It will happen.